Okay, next thing is to create the join for the hand. Right, you start with the I will use the front view. Okay, go to skeleton, create join. Start with here, the clavicle. Somewhere around the clavicle is somewhere around here. Okay, and then follow by here the shoulder. This is the elbow. Alright, and then go to the wrist here. Yeah, wrist. Okay, and then you go to the hit Q to exit the join mode. You have to place the join back to the shape of the character. Okay, you have to use all the view in Maya. You cannot depend on only one view. Okay. And then you have to check back using the perspective view. Okay, seems okay. Okay, alright. So now I will add another joint in between the elbow and the wrist here. It's called a hand rotation joint. It will help in rotating the hand later on. Okay, just go to skeleton, insert joint, and just click here, click and drag somewhere around here and release. Okay, and hit Q. Right. Okay, it seems that the joint, the display of the joint is a little bit bigger than it used to be, so I will resize the display size to which size that comfortable for me. You just go to display, animation, joint size here, and just reduce the size around, maybe this should be okay. Alright, this is only the display size. It doesn't affect anything to the joint. It just for the viewing purpose. Alright, okay, and then of course you have to rename the joint after you create it. Okay, so you start with this, the first one. I will put L underscore L for left. Same, this is the left side, the left hand joint for the character. So left L underscore this one is clavicle, enter, and hit down arrow button, and go to here is of course L. I will copy this, Ctrl C. Okay, this is L shoulder, and then let's see, this is Ctrl V because I already copied the L underscore. This is elbow, and this is Ctrl V. We call it hand ROT, hand rotation, ROT. Okay, enter. So this is L underscore wrist, 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 enter. Okay, right, this is the, and then this is the bit tricky part. You have to create join for the finger. Okay, I will start with the index finger. You just go to the top view and just create skeleton, create join, go to somewhere around here. Sorry, I go to the index finger first, here and here, and then here. Okay, and hit Q, so it will create the joint on the plane, on the grid. So I will move it up to the joint. Okay, let's see. Okay, you have to place it back right here, here. Okay, let's see. Okay, and then you just have, you can control D and move, control D to duplicate and move, go to the and rotate join, so we'll, okay, control back. Okay, hold down the E and follow by left click, hold, you go to the gimbal here to rotate. Okay, and then you can rotate. Okay, and move back. Adjust according to the size. And you can rotate it back if you feel it needs to. Okay, go back to the perspective view and adjust. Seems okay, and then select the parent and hit Ctrl D to duplicate and move. Okay, I will rotate it here. Okay, so sorry, I think I have to decrease the display size for the joint. Joint size maybe here, and then okay, pick here and adjust here. Okay, right, so you go back to the perspective view and check. So you have to bring it down a bit. Okay, seems okay. Alright, okay, the next one is the this is the middle finger. Okay, index finger, Control D to duplicate and move here. Okay, rotate, you move, rotate, move. Yeah, alright. Okay, so you hold down the W and middle click, left mouse click, and then you can go to this object. Okay, and you can move here easier. This is, you can rotate and move it here. Okay, as usual, go back to the perspective view. Okay, alright, the next one is the thumb. So you can also duplicate, Control D, duplicate, and move to the thumb. Can rotate somewhere around here for the thumb. And then here, thing around here, and here, and here. And then go to perspective view. We have to adjust the thumb. All right. And okay, of course you have to rename all the joint. Start with, this is thumb, you go as a thumb 01, and oh sorry, I forgot the left. You have to also include the L underscore thumb 01, enter, then followed by thumb 02, thumb 02. I will duplicate this, Control C, Control C, okay, enter, and then this is Control V 03, enter, Control V 4, enter. Okay, that's for thumb, and followed by this is L underscore index finger 01. Okay, copy first, Control C, enter. Okay, this is index 02, enter, Control V index 03, enter, Control V index 04, enter. Okay, this is middle finger, so L underscore middle 01, enter. I will duplicate this, oh sorry, I will copy this and go to the next joint, middle 02, enter. Well, this is a bit tedious, but you have to do it in order to avoid any problem in the next stage of the rigging later on. Alright, okay, so next is this is ring finger underscore ring 01, enter. Copy this, enter. Go to the next join, ring 02, enter. Enter ring 03, enter. Ring 04, enter. Okay, and then this, the last one is we call it pinky. Of course, everyone know it. Underscore pinky 01, enter. Copy. Pinky 02, enter. Next, pinky 03, enter. Next is pinky 04 and enter. Alright, in the next video I will show you how we can parent the joint so it will be connected to the chest joint here. Alright.